Mexico runs on wheels and gets the world moving. With an almost century-long tradition in the automotive industry, our country is one of the leaders in the worldwide manufacture of vehicles, automobile parts, and components, which are mostly sold abroad. Join us and find out how Mexico is with you on the road. Mexico is among the world's 10 principal producers of automobiles, freight vehicles, trucks, auto parts, and components. Our country has a mature, dynamic industry that continues to grow. Due to this industry's strategic development and a significant share on the national and international economies, the Mexican automotive sector is the country's second most important industry after the petroleum sector.
Mexico has a privileged situation in geographical terms, obviously because of its closeness to the world's largest market, which is the United States, but also, as we're seeing today, as a good option for supplying other markets in the world from Mexico. Our products are widely accepted throughout the world since the quality of Mexican labor and the quality of the assembly we do in these plants are well known. Culturally, Mexico is a country that is always seeking continuous improvement. We have this Mexican ingenuity, which always gives us this extra something, or this additional something, to be able to improve some process, or to continue surpassing the goals we already have.
Mexico is an important supplier of vehicles in the world. The production volume of automotive vehicles in Mexico is of such magnitude that the CSM auto consulting firm forecasts that 3.1 million units will be manufactured in our country in 2013. That is 50% more than in 2008. Also, North America, Asia, and Europe supply themselves with auto parts and components for their original vehicles and for the spare parts market, from products made in Mexico. We are leaders in the design and manufacture of powertrains, airbag modules, seat belts, seats, suspensions, and chassis, elastic elements, metal parts, harnesses, and lighting, among others. Our country is an unbeatable place for the automotive industry. The existence of qualified and competitive labor, free trade agreements with North America and other markets, as well as a promising domestic market and almost a century's experience in the sectors have attracted 9 of the 10 leading car manufacturers in the world.
Thanks to its trade agreements, it is the only country in the world from which I can export vehicles and vehicle parts to all the world's major markets. And I can also import from those markets to Mexico the products I need for the Mexican market without paying tariffs. No other country in the world has that advantage. We have an extensive market. Our products are reaching more than 50 countries. Basically the United States, Canada, Europe, Central and South America. And recently we have reached Africa. It has been decided that Mexico should be a very important operation as regards development and engineering for the whole world. In times of crisis, the company is investing in Mexico. And not only that, assigning very important parts of the operation for other countries.
89 of the 100 most important auto parts suppliers are also in Mexico. And there are around 1,100 auto parts manufacturers in our country. Mexico provides the world with more than a dozen models produced exclusively in its territory, from luxury and a sports car to freight trucks of different makes of worldwide importance. With our experience in the manufacture of vehicles and auto parts, the presence of the best mix of cars producing their vehicles, and the national automotive industry's growing share of world markets, Mexico goes with you on the right road.